Define a class salary and input name and salary of employee. Means how many inputs I have to take? Salary, name, means salary of the employee and name of the employee. Okay, and compute the tax. Now we have to compute the tax. Means tax की calculation करनी है. कैसे करनी है? If the salary is less than 50,000, okay, if salary is less than 50,000, then tax will be 0. Means 0% tax will be given. ओके तो फिर एम्प्लॉय को कोई टैक्स पे नहीं करना. ओके अंडरस्टूड. इफ सैलरी इज लेस देन 50,000 तो नो 0% ऑफ टैक्स. ओके इफ सैलरी इज बिटवीन 50,000 to 70,000 then 10% of exceeding salary 50,000. I will explain this exceeding afterwards. First of all, you just simply 10% of the salary. Okay, then if the salary is greater than 70,000 then the 20% tax. So first of all I have to accept the values, I have to accept the input. Int sal. Okay, this is the salary. And then name also I have to accept now. Or first you accept the name. Or in the scanner class also you can use it. String name and int salary. Now here I will not accept the value of the tax from the user because the tax we have to calculate, right? So here I am declaring the tax. You can declare the tax as the integer or here I am declaring as double. Okay. And what I have to display? Display the name, tax and salary drawn. Salary drawn means what? What the amount or what the salary user is going to be drawn. Means user means employee. Okay, means after paying the tax जो भी सैलरी बचेगी वही तो यूजर के हाथ में आएगी. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो int tax equals to 0. Now I will form if cell less than 50,000. Yes, first mistake. What you people are doing? 50 comma, because it is mentioned here, no? Then you are writing cell less than 50 comma. No, in any literal, in the starting lessons we have done that. Lesson number 1, 2 and 3 and the literals cannot have these type of the symbol. In integer literal only the 0 to 9 digits. Okay, so see that. So if you are making like that according to the question, nahin, then it is wrong. Okay, so salary less than 50,000. Sometime you are writing rupees because it is written a rupees. So you will write like that. Again it is wrong. In the if statement, we will make it like this only. Sell less than 50,000. Okay. Okay. If this is the sell, then the tax is to be calculated. So tax will be what? 0. Now you will not write 0%. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इस वेरिएबल में 0%. Percent is what? Nothing. Tax is the integer variable, so only the integer value you can store now. In the starting lesson we have done integer literals. Why we did it? Integer literals 0 only, not 0%. Okay, so if you are writing 0%, it means it is wrong. It will give you an error only, nothing else. Okay, so 0. Then after it, second condition I'm going to create in the else. Now again else if means ladder if. I'm not going to write if again. If I'm writing the if, so my program, my compiler will check each and every if. That is giving the burden to the compiler, and my program will take more time to execute. Okay, that's why we have to use ladder if only. Ladder if means else if, else if, else if. Okay, pehla condition, first condition in the if, second condition in else if. So what is the second condition? 50,000 to 70,000. Okay, so how I will write value of the salary, in which variable we have taken? In cell. Whatever variable you are using for the salary, you will write that variable first. Then greater than equals to 50,000 without any comma, without any symbol. Then end. Now what the mistake you are making? Less than equals to 70,000. अभी देखो ये वाला हुआ तुम्हारा रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन. ओके, दिस रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन इज गोइंग टू रिटर्न ट्रू और फॉल्स. ओके, नाउ ये कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन हुआ बताओ? लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 70,000. किसके लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 70,000 हो रहा है ये बताओ? बोलो किसके लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 70,000 हो रहा है? नथिंग, बिकॉज here we make this expression with the variable cell less than equals to 70,000. Okay, so please don't make this type of the mistake. अभी देखो ये relational expression, this relational expression is going to return in true or false, and this expression also going to return in true or false. Then this AND operator is going to be work on the true false result of this expression and this relational expression. Okay, that is only the use of the logical operator ना, to join two relational expression. तो ये दोनों पूरी relational expression बननी भी तो चाहिए. Understood? Now the text. ये text. हाँ, if I'm writing 10% means again I'm wrong. Okay, so here what I will write? 10% of what? Salary का 10% ना. So salary 10% means what? 10 divided by 100. Okay, so that salary will be multiplied by the 10 first of all, then it will be divided by the 100. Okay, means 10% will be calculated. But अगर ये question easy से ऐसे होता ना, like that only, ये नहीं होता, only this 10%. Okay, it means 10% of the salary. But there is some change in our program. What is the change in our program? Some twist is there. 10% of exceeding salary 50,000. What is the meaning of it? Means 10% I have to calculate. But किसका? Salary का नहीं. Exceeding salary 50,000 means 50,000 से जितना भी exceeding है means 50,000 के बाद जो भी सैलरी यूजर ने ली है, 50,000 से ज्यादा जो भी सैलरी यूजर की बनी है उसका 10%. राइट, सपोज एम्प्लॉय सैलरी इज 55,000, तो पूरा 55,000 का 10% नहीं कटेगा, 10% टैक्स नहीं लगेगा, सिर्फ 5,000 का ही 10% टैक्स लगेगा. वाई? बिकॉज एक्सीडिंग सैलरी बोला है, एक्सीडिंग सैलरी ऑफ 50,000. तो मतलब कि 50,000 के बाद जितनी भी सैलरी ज्यादा होगी, तो 55,000 अगर सैलरी है तो 55,000 माइनस 50 कितना बचा? 5,000. तो 5,000 का 10% टैक्स पे करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, सो हाउ वी विल राइट इट? सैलरी नहीं, सैलरी माइनस 50,000. okay, that we have to do first of all. Salary minus 50,000, whatever salary user is going to be inputted greater than 50,000, that we will deduct from the, okay, the salary minus 50,000 multiply by 10%. okay, तो उसका 10% निकलेगा, then that tax to be paid. Then see, अभी यहाँ पे कुछ और कंडीशन नहीं है, जस्ट डायरेक्टली दे हैव गिवन ग्रेटर देन. अब कितना भी ग्रेटर देन हो 70 से, So that's why we are not going to make any condition. Simply in the else part we are going to write else. Now what will be the tax calculation? 20% of exceeding salary 50,000. So 50,000 exceeding salary, sell minus 50,000, and how much percent? 20%, right? Then here, this is the calculation of the tax. Okay, now what I have to display? Display the name, tax and salary drawn. Means tax जितना user pay करेगा वो भी मुझे डिस्प्ले कराना है, एंड सैलरी. अब सैलरी कैसे होगी? टैक्स डिडक्ट करने के बाद सैलरी होगी ना. मींस जो भी यूजर की सैलरी है उसमें से टैक्स को माइनस करेंगे, वही तो सैलरी ड्रॉन होगा, एंड इन द टेबुलर फॉर्मेट. तो ठीक है, टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में डिस्प्ले करा देते हैं. ओके, सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग सिस्टम आउट डॉट println name of employee. Okay, so in the name I have accepted the value name. System dot out dot println tax to be paid tax to be paid. Okay, I have to display in the tabular format. Wait. So here we will give name, then \t, then tax, then \t, salary. Okay. Yes. Now the name. So what variable I have taken? Name. Then plus \t, then plus tax. What variable I have taken for the tax? tax. Yes. Then plus \t, that we have done how to show in the tabular format. Many times we have done this. Then cell. Yes, it will be a calculated salary. So that cell minus tax. Right? Now compile it. Name, tax, semicolon. Compile, execute. Okay. If user is getting only 1,000 rupees, then no tax. So 0 tax will be there. Okay, sorry, name. So string in the double quotes only. Then the salary. String values we will give in double quotes if it is in method call. Then 1,000. See that. Name, tax 0, salary 1,000. No tax to be paid. Right? Now, if I am giving name in the double quotes I have to give, and if I am giving 50,000, see that, no tax. Okay. Then after this, if I'm giving 55,000, 55,000, see that 500 only, tax 500. Why the 500? Because 55,000 means 10% of the 5,000 only, because exceeding limit is what, 50,000 के बाद exceeding limit कितनी हुई 5,000, तो 5,000 का 10% कैलकुलेट हुआ and then that only going to be deducted from the salary. Okay, if I'm giving suppose 1 lakh, now see 10,000 will be the tax. Okay, and then 90,000 salary. Okay, see the coding again. What we have done, first of all, we have accepted the input. We are again checking the conditions and we are calculating the tax, not as the usual program. Usual program में अभी तक कैसे आया था 10%, 20%, but here it is mentioned exceeding salary of the 50,000. So we are calculating the 10% of the exceeding amount. Here also 20% of the exceeding amount of 50,000. Understood? Write this program quickly.